Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DigitalOcean, manage droplets and projects step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the DigitalOcean website. In the top right corner of the home page, click the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your DigitalOcean account in the first field. In the second field, type your password. If you wish to stay signed in, check the Remember Me box. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Once signed in, you will be taken to the DigitalOcean control panel. Here, you can manage your droplets and projects. To view your droplets, click on the Droplets option in the navigation menu. You will see a list of all your active droplets. To create a new droplet, click the Create button and then select Droplet. Follow the prompts to configure your new droplet. Select your desired operating system, plan, and data center region. Once satisfied, click Create Droplet. To manage your projects, navigate to the Projects section in the sidebar. You can create a new project by clicking on the Create Project button. Fill in the relevant details for your new project. You can also assign existing droplets to your new project if needed. To view the details of any project, simply click on its name. This will open the project overview, where you can see associated droplets and resources. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and navigated through DigitalOcean. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.